Naman ako nga salida this morning is 9 a.m. Friday is Summer is Crazy, if I'm not mistaken, or Crazy Summer. Summer is Crazy, and it talks about relationship, talks about some betrayal, cheating, of the family. There were 2-3 families there, and then talking about the summer, the midsummer, the people there are in the Finland. It's a Finland movie, Finnish movie. They talk about the significance of summer. They celebrate the midsummer. I don't know what's the summer, maybe June, July, but they celebrate that. People are preparing, and then also there were some issues like adultery. Also, there's also relationship, something like that. And then the exciting thing was the couple there, the daughter Selma and Arthur. They were dating, and they feel like the girl says the exciting moment is the girl said that I like you, and then the guy said why is it hard like that, no? Anak ba kalisod naka say storya o ba, pero nagsilos-silos na to yung mga silos-silos ito, jealousy atong niadto sila sa layo nga lugar, atong gitawag nila nga Nauvom to ilang lugar nato sa laing lugar mo doon ra gyapon to Chile but term to. So pagbalik nila, it was so sad. The ending was namatay ang papa to ni Arthur, the musician. So that's it. It was a nice movie. Ano siya, practical siya na pangitabo, no, sa atong katiliban, no? Ay mga anak, kabit, sa natin na may mga relationship, ma-inspire po na nasa. So that's a nice movie. Summer is Crazy. Actually, Summer Crazy dyan kay kan mga nakitabo. So that's it. Thank you. Alright, ang second movie nga ako nakita is entitled Peacock, and then I'll be using a voiceover as part of the video essay. So the Peacock movie is directed by Bernhard, and then the genre is like for me it's a funny drama with a comedy, and sa movie, no, during the movie, in the some part of the movie, na-peacock ito. That's why siguro na-peacock ang title, kaya na-peacock ito sa movie. Nagpakita, no, dito sa iyang sakyanan, then nasa Katumura o garden sa area nga niadto mo ko na siya og yoga, kay na siya si Matias na character. Bulagan na siya sa iyang asawa pa to, live-in partner, kay because kuno di na kuno siya real, no? Unreal na kuno ko siya sa iyang pagkatao, maybe because busy siya man trabaho siya. Siguro ang iyang trabaho ato nga time is kuan man siya real estate. Then struggle siya sa iyang relationship, no? There's a struggle in the relationship. Nagulugan siya, and then ngita po siya og kuan chicks ito sa tunga area nga magpa-yoga kuno siya, kay para mo kuno to yung part sa iyang kuan to change himself. So after ato, naka-relationship siya to one night stand na ba to sa bar, yan. Mo to siya kuan. And grabe yung struggle sa iyang life, especially sa iyang love life. And then of course, napad yung friends ito, mutabang sa iya, and then also sa iya pong sa iyang pagtrabaho as a real estate broker. Alright, thank you so much, and this is my video essay. Thank you sir.